Hello everyone, I'm Anurag Mahajan, 20BC0859, a third year engineering student at Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. So today our topic will be Z-Attack Proxy. So we'll be doing testing on vulnerable sites and find out the vulnerabilities by testing using our Z-Attack proxy. So first I'll give you an overview of what Z-Attack proxy is and what vulnerable site we are going to use in order to test all the vulnerabilities in that website. So ZAP Proxy is a penetration testing tool which we will be using to find out all the vulnerabilities, like which attacks are possible, are highly vulnerable on any website. So we'll go in detail on how to do the penetration testing using this ZAP Proxy, and in this video we are going to use OWASP use website to test for the vulnerability. So first I will show you how to download the ZAP proxy and the OS juice shop. So so we have to go on this website or www.zaproxy.org, and then here is a download option, and based on your laptop configuration you can download any version. So I have Mac OS, so I will install that, but I have already downloaded this file, so I will not download it again. So after installing this, all will be a normal process only, and after installing the app you will get a display like this. So now we will download the site which we are going to test, which is OWASP Juice Shop. So for this we have to go on this link owasp.org, www.project juice shop, and here you can see the OWASP Juice Shop. You are going to download it through Docker. So we'll search for Docker image here, then go there, and here yeah, so we'll run docker pull juice shop on our terminal to download the juice shop. So after doing this, your juice shop will be downloaded, but I have already downloaded, so it took very less time, but for you it will take 5 to 10 minutes based on your internet speed. Now to run this, we have to run this command called docker run rpm p3000. So it will be running on the port 3000. So so as I've already started running the juice shop, so it's showing me this error, but for you it will take some time, and you can just do this to open the website. So this will open the website, and this is the website which we have to test on our ZAP proxy. So for that we'll now do the attack and see how the ZAP proxy works. So this is the ZAP proxy homepage. Now we're going to take an automated scan. This will be the homepage, and here you are going to first try an automated scan. Here we will enter the website name, like which is in our case it is localhost 3000. We'll be using a traditional spider, and now we'll press on attack. This will go to all the subdomains and all the website which are sub domains which are present in the link, and will attack all the possible attacks which can be made will be done on all these sites. It will show us all the vulnerable sites in it. So here we can see so these are all the sites which are vulnerable. The process is still going on. You can see 200 okay and 4034 forbidden. These are the website is running fine or not. 200 means it's running perfectly well, and other means there is some kind of error in it, like domain misconfiguration and things like that. Okay, so we can see that these four are the attacks which are possible on this website. So this all sites are vulnerable for cross-domain misconfiguration. Then cross-domain JavaScript source file inclusion. This can be done on all these sites. So basically we can see how this ZAP proxy has detected all the vulnerable attacks which can be done on all the subdomains possible in the website which we have provided in the automated scan. So now we'll carry out manual scan, manual explore. So we will do a manual explore. So here we have put it the URL like localhost 3000, and we have enabled the HUD, and now we will use Firefox. We will explore the application by pressing launch browser. This will open new window. So welcome to OWASP juice shop. Okay, so if you want a very detailed view, then you can go into the take the HUD tutorial, but now we'll directly start how we start and continue to your target. So here is the history. So we can go up and see which all methods are there, how we came to this. Then we can see all the web sockets, and on this juice shop website we can see the on and the off scope. So we can add current domain to the scope. So we'll add that, and we can start the attack. So this will turn on the attack. And this is the WebSocket and the history. And whenever we click on any component, we'll get all the security threats which are on that component. So this is how attacks are made uh, on any website using Z-attack proxy, and we can find vulnerabilities in any website. May it be any vulnerability like SQL injection or any mid risk or low risk. Any vulnerability can be detected using Z-attack proxy. We have to just we have seen two methods of finding the vulnerabilities, which are automatic scan, and the other one is manual explore. So this is how we can uh, find out which attacks can be made on a website, and any attack is how much how much vulnerability is there on any website, and how easily the website can be hacked, or how the data can be seen from the website. And using this we are and using this Z-attack proxy, we will detect the possible attacks which are made, which can be made on any website. And this is the purpose of using Z-attack proxy, which is known as penetration testing. Thank you and have a nice day.